Catching a possum coming into my chicken coop. Chased him off earlier. Don't want to hurt the little guy. Oh, there he is. I'm here, Mr. Possum. Don't you hurt my chickens. This old possum's really hungry. He'd been hibernating under one of my sheds because it's been so cold and snowy here. Mr. Possum, you're just hungry, aren't you, buddy? Ran him off earlier. He was around my chickens and in the side yard and trying to get him a drink, and he took off on me. I just don't want him hurting my chickens. Oh, you're all right, buddy. You're okay. There he takes off. You're all right. See where he went here. Yep, Mr. Possum took off.